Hi guys, so we're going to learn how to make deep fried ice cream. My assistant here is taking a slice of white bread. That's the best type of bread to use for this dish. Scoop out a generous amount of vanilla ice cream. Like so. So as you can see, my wonderful assistant is placing the scoop of ice cream onto the slice of the bread. Now you take the other slice, put it on top, put it over, and then use a cup to kind of shape the bread to cut through the slices, and it will come out really nice and round. So you take out the edges, and with the leftover bread, you've got so many things to do with it. You can make French toast for the morning. Sky's the limit. Or if you know how to make bread pudding, that is another idea. So just try to get it out of the cup, and look at that, voila! Cute round piece of bread with ice cream stuffed in the middle. Make sure that the edges are properly sealed. You don't want the ice cream to be leaking out. So this has been sitting in the freezer for 3 hours. We've taken it out. Look at those cute little buns. So make sure you've got a wok of hot oil, and it needs to be sizzling when you put it inside. Can you hear the oil sizzling? So make sure you flip it after 10 seconds. We don't want your bread to be burnt. Just keep an eye on it. Don't leave the stove. And again, flip it after 10 seconds. Just be there and monitor. And once it's ready, it's nice and golden brown. And then just plate it. If only you could smell these buns frying. Alright, so now we sprinkle some icing sugar over the tops. And we want it to look professional and beautiful, right? And there you go! Deep fried ice cream. This is wonderful during a hot day. Can you just hear the crunch? Yummy! Bon appetit, guys!